If you're applying to 50 jobs a week and hearing nothing back, this video ends that. Here are 5 free AI tools that'll actually help you get interviews. No tech experience needed. Job hunting is a lot, and you're not doing it wrong. The process is just heavy. Rewriting the same resume, tracking 50 applications, prepping for interviews at midnight. These 5 tips lighten that load. 4 free tools, plus 1 helper already sitting inside LinkedIn. One honest note before we start. No tool guarantees you a job. Anyone who promises that is selling something. These just improve your odds and save you hours. And one rule, anything AI writes for you gets your eyes first. Recruiters can tell when something is fully automated. Your voice stays in it. All right, tip 1. Tip 1. Check your resume before you send it. The tool is called Jobscan. Here's all you do. Paste in your resume, paste in the job posting, click Scan. You get a match score and a list of the exact words the job wants that your resume is missing. Add the ones that are true for you, never the ones that aren't. Here's why this matters. Most resumes get filtered by software before a human ever sees them. This is how you stop losing to the filter. 2 minutes per application and a real shot at a human actually reading it. Tip 2. Fix your LinkedIn without leaving LinkedIn. There's an AI writing helper already built in. No new app to learn. Open your profile, tap the edit pencil, look for the writing suggestion button. It rewrites your headline and your about section using what's already there. It won't invent anything. It just says what you did, more clearly. That's the whole trick. Why bother? Recruiters search LinkedIn with keywords. A clearer profile means you show up in more of those searches. Read what it suggests. Keep what sounds like you. Change what doesn't. 15 minutes, once. Then recruiters can actually find you. Tip 3. Retire the spreadsheet. The tool is Teal. It's a free add-on for your internet browser. When you find the job you like, click the Teal button once. Saved. It keeps every job, every deadline, every status on one tidy board. No more guessing which resume went where. No more lost links. It can even hold different versions of your resume, so the right one goes to the right job. You see your whole search in one place. 5 minutes to set up, and your Sunday night spreadsheet session disappears for good. Tip 4. Practice interviews out loud. Not in your head, out loud. The tool is Google's Interview Warmup. Completely free, no account needed. It asks you real interview questions. You speak your answer the way you would in the room. Then it shows you your pacing, your filler words, the points you kept repeating. And here's the best part. Nobody is watching. Nobody is judging. It's just you and your phone. Take the question you dread most. Answer it 5 times. The nerves shrink every single round. You walk into the real interview having already said the words out loud. Tip 5. Research the company like a pro. The tool is Perplexity. Before an interview, ask it a plain question. What has this company been up to this year? You get a clear answer with sources you can actually check. No digging through 10 open tabs. Read for 5 minutes. Then prepare one smart, specific question to ask them. Interviewers remember the person who asked about their actual work, not the one who asked what the vacation policy is. 5 minutes of reading, one question that sets you apart. So that's 5. Check the resume, fix the profile, track with one click, practice out loud, and research before you walk in. Pick one and do it today. The resume check takes 2 minutes. One small step beats another silent week. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. And drop a comment. Tell me which tip you want the full step-by-step on. Keep going. You're closer than the silence makes it feel.